If you're anything like me, you've probably dreamed of harvesting fresh veggies straight from your backyard. But when your yard or your balcony is barely bigger than a yoga mat, it can feel impossible. Trust me, I've been there. That's why today I'm sharing 19 small vegetable garden ideas that make the most of even the tiniest space. Let's get into it. First up, the vertical ladder garden. Repurpose an old ladder, add some planter boxes, and boom. You've got a charming rustic display perfect for lettuce, spinach, and herbs. Super space efficient and no bending needed. 2. A raised bed fits perfectly and gives your tomatoes and peppers room to thrive. Plus, it's easier on the back. Win-win. 3. Stackable planters like these vertical towers are my go-to for growing layers of herbs and greens. They're neat, organized, and ideal for patios or balconies. 4. Turn an old pallet into a stunning vertical garden. Just mount it on a wall and fill each slot with soil and seeds, radishes, herbs. You name it. 5. Grow bags. They are magic. I use them for tomatoes and potatoes right on my balcony. They drain well, breathe easy, and you can move them to chase the sun. 6. For a sturdy, budget-friendly garden setup, cinder blocks are awesome. Stack and arrange to create custom beds with built-in planting pockets. Number 7. Short on space indoors? Try growing herbs in mason jars filled with water and nutrients. It's hydroponics made simple and super cute on a windowsill. 8. Cucumbers and beans love climbing, and an A-frame setup gives them the perfect support without hogging space. Harvesting is easy too. 9. Hang rain gutters on a wall or fence, and you've got sleek planters for leafy greens. Minimal upkeep and surprisingly productive. 10. Old drawers lying around? Stack and fill them for a quirky, colorful mini garden. Great for herbs, lettuce, or just a touch of personality. 11. Line some milk crates with landscape fabric and boom. You've got movable, stackable veggie beds. Peppers, strawberries, lettuce, they all love it. 12. Tomato cages aren't just for support. Line them with fabric and fill with soil for an upright garden tower of cherry tomatoes. It's genius. 13. Want cleaner, faster gardening? Try a hydroponic bucket system. Great for patios or indoor use. No soil, fewer pests, lots of produce. 14. Cut a wine barrel into sections and plant away. It's deep enough for root veggies and adds that rustic flair every garden deserves. 15. Potatoes, onions, carrots, all do well in breathable burlap sacks. They're cheap, portable, and oh so charming. 16. A mini greenhouse lets you grow longer into the season, even in small spaces. Tomatoes and peppers love the cozy protection. 17. Cut PVC pipes and mount them on a wall for a futuristic little veggie garden. I use mine for lettuce and herbs. It's efficient and fun to build. 18. Stacked wooden crates equals rustic charm and practical gardening. Grow kale, carrots, or basil in these tidy, tiered levels. Finish with a bang, a living wall. These vertical planters transform bare walls into lush green gardens. Easy to water and even easier to fall in love with. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.